This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook chuck roast in the oven. First, pat your 3 to 4 pound chuck roast dry with paper towels. This step helps immensely with searing. Season it generously on all sides with 2 teaspoons of kosher salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit as you prepare to sear the meat. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your Dutch oven over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place the seasoned chuck roast in the hot pan and sear it for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side until a deep, golden brown crust forms. Remove the roast and add 1 chopped yellow onion, 2 chopped carrots, and 2 chopped celery stalks to the pot, cooking until softened, about 5 minutes. Pour in 1 cup of dry red wine, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pot, then add 2 cups of beef broth and 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary. Return the seared chuck roast to the Dutch oven, ensuring it is partially submerged in the liquid. Cover the pot tightly with a lid and transfer it to your preheated 325 degree Fahrenheit oven. Allow the roast to cook in the oven for approximately 3 hours, or until it is incredibly tender when pierced with a fork. The internal temperature should reach about 200 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal shreddability. If desired, you can add 1 1/2 pounds of small potatoes and 1/2 pound of baby carrots during the last 60 minutes of cooking, nestling them around the roast in the liquid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.